In this video, I will show you how to fix and resolve copy-paste not working in Microsoft Excel. So you can try this method. Click on File, More, then Options. Now here you have to click on this Trust Center, then Trust Center Settings. Now here click on Macros Settings and enable this last option. Enable VBA macros, and guys, make sure it's not recommended. And also you can enable this setting, developer macro settings, then click on OK. Again click on OK and try to copy and paste. Hopefully guys, using this method you can fix and resolve. In the last, just you have to restart your Excel program. Thanks for watching. Comment on this method work for you.